Hello everyone. Today we have selected this very interesting and challenging question in the series of Can You Solve It questions. And the question says you have to show that this whole sum of these terms, this is up to 1 over under root 24 plus 25 is equal to 4. This is what we need to prove, and how we will be doing this. It looks very difficult, but we will be trying to solve it as easily as possible. So try to understand these type of questions are coming in exam and practice these type of questions so that you will be able to tackle unseen questions in exam also. So what we can do, we can rationalize the separate terms. For example, this term will be rationalized and we will write 1 over under root 1 plus under root 2, and for its rationalization we will be multiplying it with the opposite sign, which is this one, over also with the opposite sign, and this will be our first term. And similarly we can rationalize the second term as well. So it will be 1 over under root 2 plus under root 3 and multiplied by its opposite sign. This is how we are basically rationalizing. So it will be 2 minus under root 3 and over under root 2 minus under root 3. This will be our second term, and similarly we can rationalize this third term as well. So it will be 1 over under root 3 plus under root 4 and multiplied by under root 3 plus under root 4. Basically it should be minus, so we can write minus under root 4 over under root 3 minus under root 4, and plus so on. The same process we will repeat up to the final term, which is this one, and we can write its rationalization as this one, under root 24 plus under root 25, and this will be multiplied by the opposite sign, which is under root 24 minus under root 25 over under root 24 minus under root 25. So this is the rationalization step which we have done. Now we know the formula, which is basically before applying the formula we can rewrite it as, it will be under root 1 minus under root 2 over, this will be uh, um, uh, basically this formula we can write over here, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. This is the formula which we can apply over here, and this is a plus b, this is a minus b, so it will be equal to a square minus b square. So we will get a square minus b square mean 1 and minus 2. Similarly this will be under root 2 minus under root 3 over a square minus b square, so it will be 2 minus 3 plus this will be under root 3 minus under root 4 divided by this will be 3 minus 4, and plus so on, plus this will be under root 24 minus under root 25, and this will be divided by 24 minus 25. This will be our next step. Denominators will be resulting to minus 1. All denominators will be resulting to minus 1. So we can write the next step as, this will be equal to minus 1 into under root 1 minus under root 2 and minus 1 under root 2 minus under root 3, and similarly plus this should be minus 1 and under root 3 minus under root 4 and minus so on, this will be minus 1 under root 24 minus under root 25. So now the next step will be we can open the brackets and signs will change. So this will be under root 1 and plus under root 2 and when we open this we'll get minus under root 2, this would be minus under root 1, and plus under root 3 and minus under root 3 when we open this one, and plus under root 4 and then minus and so on, and next will be minus under root 24. This will be plus under root 24, and last term will be basically this will be minus, and last term will be plus under root 25. Now this plus term will be cancelled with minus, each plus term will be cancelling with this under root 24 will be cancelled with next minus under root 24, and similarly this minus under root 24 will be cancelled with the previous term, and the remaining term will be what? Remaining term we can write it as minus, we can write it as minus under root 1 plus under root 25, and under root 25 is equal to 5, and 1 under root will be 1, so we can write minus 1 plus 5, and minus 1 plus 5 is 4, and this is the thing which we needed to prove. And this is a little tricky question and a challenging question which you can practice, and hopefully you will learn from this question. Rationalization part is very important. You should practice rationalization. There is a lot of rationalization involved in this, and plus you have to cancel intelligently so that there should be no mistake. There are higher chances of mistake in this question, so you will have to solve this question carefully, and there is application of this formula also, and you will have to avoid mistakes and reach to the answer in first attempt, because this is a show that question, so you know the answer. This is 4, so you can reach this. In case they have not given you this answer, then there are more chances that you will be getting something else answer, and you will not be knowing that your answer is correct or incorrect, and in that case you may be in trouble. So practice these type of questions more so that you can perform better in exams. Hopefully this video is helpful. Subscribe the channel, introduce this channel to your respected teachers, also recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.